Gary here today with another video. I'm actually on the road right now to pick up another modification to the F150. This one is, personally, it's due to the fact that I modified the Jeep with the bigger tires, so it actually made my truck look a little bit puny. So I'm actually going to get bigger tires for the F150 today, moving up from 33 inches to 315/70, which is about 34.5. So it's almost the same, you know, tire size as my Jeep. I'm still eventually planning to get maybe 37s on this truck, but then I'll need a lift to make it fit. But for the time being, I can probably fit these 35s, well 34.5s on the F150 with a little bit of trimming. That's what I heard, that I'm gonna need a little bit of trimming because I only have about a 2.5-inch leveling kit on it to level it out. 33 inches right now doesn't actually rub. Yeah, I thought I'd move it up a little bit and, you know, make the tires look beefier. Yeah, that's the plan. Yeah, it's gonna take a while for me to get there. It's actually in North Van, so I'll show you guys what brand of tires I decided to go with instead of the KO2s. It actually got suggested to me by one of my friends to go with this type of tire, so I'm gonna give it a shot and see how it goes. And yeah, I'm just on the way there right now. I'll check up on you guys in a little bit.
15 minutes later.
Hey guys, I actually just picked up the tires already. They're on my truck bed, and man, they look beefy. They actually look as thick as my Jeep tires that I'm running right now, which is the KO2s. And man, yeah, they look beefy, man. The tires that I actually went with is the Falcon Wild Peaks. It was highly recommended to me by my friend Grant, who is actually driving a Ram 1500 that is well built, in my opinion. He highly recommended it, and I wouldn't mind trying it out. I see, you know, I've been running KO2s this whole time with both my rigs, so I wanted to try something new. And you know, I'll take his word for it. He's been running the same tire sizes as well what I'm going to be running now. So you know, I'll take his word for it, and I'll test it out for a couple of seasons. The tires are actually used, so the tread life is about 75% left on it, which is pretty good. So it'll give me a few seasons of, you know, wheeling. And I don't necessarily, I actually don't use the truck as often as I do before, so probably can last a little bit longer since I'm using the Jeep a lot more for exploration and, you know, going to technical trails and stuff. The only reason why I'm able to actually buy these tires is because a friend of mine, Kristian, is buying my current tires on the truck. So yeah, pretty much just swapping to bigger tires, not spending anything pretty much, other than just paying for the installation and mounting of the tires. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear it in my voice. I'm extremely excited about it. I can't wait to actually have it on the truck and see how it looks like. Anyways guys, I'll check on you guys later when I get home. See you guys in a bit. All right guys, here we go. These are the Falcons. I'm just gonna take it out of the truck bed and I'll show you guys how it looks like. So yeah, these are the Falcon Wild Peaks, and I'm just gonna put it right beside my current setup, see how much of a difference it has. So from how it looks right now, right centered right there, man, it's gonna look big, man. Here's the difference. Whoa, that's a big difference actually. So definitely gonna need to really replace the front bumper soon so I can make this work. We'll make it work. And I might, Pete actually mentioned, the person that sold me the tires actually mentioned I might actually trim this part as well too to make it fit. But man, that's gonna look really nice. It does look like, you know, it belongs here now with the bigger tires. So yeah, hard right now. I'm in the incline. I'm just gonna get a rock so I can actually put it. All right, so I actually just got it right there. I mean, woo, that's gonna look pimp. I mean, look at it right now, man. I can just imagine it. For sure, turning radius is gonna be an issue, but I think we can make it work. A little bit of trimming just to make it fit. But as I said, I'm gonna be replacing the front bumper soon. So yeah, I think it's gonna work. I'm excited, guys. Very, very excited.
3 days later.
Hey guys, it's actually been a few days now since I picked up the tires, and today's actually the day that I'm gonna get it installed and mounted into the truck. I'm getting it done over at OK Tires, where Kelly from KB Autotech and Adventures works. And yeah, just on my way there right now. Gonna load up the tires into the truck bed, get it all done today. All right guys, everything's all loaded up. Time to go to OK Tires. Kelly.
Some tire dolly, help me lift these up.
Your workout for today again, I guess.
Get some big tires.
And it's the only reason why I'm doing it. Part of the reason why I'm doing this is just because my Jeep made my truck look like it's puny, man. With the bigger tires, right?
We gotta represent for the Ford. Represent for the Ford boys, I guess.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, you know, it's Fast and Furious, bro. Alright guys, so the truck is on 35s now. We actually had to do some trimming. You guys saw it over here and chopped off a little bit there. Yeah man, looking a lot better now in my opinion. I'll probably do a better look at it in a little bit, but looks pretty pimp. We got Kristian's rig here. He's the one that bought my tires off of me, my buddy, and there he is. What's up, Kristian? Yeah. We'll probably check it out once it's rolled out of here. Damn, they look good, Kristian.
And the fronts?
Yeah, let's see the front. Yeah, man, they cleared. If you need to, just chop a little bit. But it's more if you once you start going. No. I think even from here, just go with the well. Just go straight, chop down that way, and I think you should be good. But I mean, you're not gonna be flexing on this anyway, so it's fine.
It doesn't even poke out.
No, I thought it would, but it's fine. All right, bro. Thanks, man. Kristian, I'll link all your stuff there as well to your Instagram. But yeah, man. Thanks for buying my tires off me, man, so I can get my 35s. All right, brother. I'm gonna kick it. I'll see you soon.
Yes.
All right, later. Hey guys, it's actually been a couple weeks since I got the tires installed on my F150, and so far so good. I can hear a bit of road noise when I'm driving, but other than that, nothing major to report. But it's the perfect time to actually get the high clearance bumper that I bought installed soon. So I'm gonna get onto that one. So the next episode for the Project F150 will be installing the front and rear high clearance bumper. Anyways guys, that will do it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any future videos. Until next time guys, like always, stay awesome.